I am learning how to graft, how to grow different varieties of fruit on one tree. If you want to know how I grow these apples on one branch, these apples on the second branch, these apples on the third branch, if you want to know how I do it, keep watching. Now this is my homegrown pink lady apple, which is about 1.5 years old, and I will be doing some chip graft. For that we need to give a cut at about 40-45 degree into the root stock. Take the knife out and leaving another about 3/4 inch, 1 inch above that, another cut downward. Take the cut wood out. That's the chip of the wood which we have taken out, and that has left that much space. Now take the cyan and give the same about 45 degree cut on the cyan, just below the bud. That's the bud. So if you start just above it, going down, that is the chip. Let's see how it fits. It looks like a perfect match, but I'll give a cut at the top, leaving a little bit church window or a gap, and that is the first chip graft. Take the tape and wrap it around. Cover the top. Because it is already sitting nicely in its place, so it might not need any other bandage. So I'm using a bit extra tape, and that will complete the first chip graft. Now is the time for the second one. Give a cut at 40-45 degree into the root stock. Take the knife out, leave about 1 inch, 3/4 inch, and make another cut going down. It will take that much wood out. Now take your cyan, that is a large lamborn. You need to give about 45-degree cut at just below the bottom of the bud, and leaving about 3/4 1 inch at the top. Start cutting the bud below the bud. That will take the chip out. I think the chip is slightly longer. So I'll cut the top of it. Now I'll take this green tape and secure the chip in its place, making sure that it doesn't move from its original place. Two have been done, and one more left, and I will use this Worcester variety. Give a cut at about 45-degree. Because of the shortage of space, I am not taking a very long just that bit chip has been taken out. So now I will use the same, about the same size of the chip. Give a cut at about 45-degree below a bud, and I am slicing it underneath the bud. That has been taken out. Now if you push the bud down, it will nicely sit in its place. And that job is done. So all three chip grafts are complete. I'll reduce the size of it, and I will also put the sealant at the top so that it retains all the moisture and it doesn't dry, and that will complete the graft. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.